Hello my dear students, welcome to your mathematics class. Dear students, in our previous video we have started unit 9 data handling of your NCERT book. Today we will run 9.1 exercise. I hope the concept sent to you in previous videos are clear. So now let's start 9.1 exercise, which is very easy and interesting. But before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel dear students by pressing the bell icon so that you will get to know about each of every upcoming videos by receiving the notification. So now let's start 9.1 exercise. Now here is question number 1 of 9.1 exercise. In a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Total how many students are there? 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. So here the table is given to us which carries the marks. And we can see the number obtained by 40 students are 8, 1, 3 like this. So let us see which is the smallest number obtained by the student. It is 1. And the greatest, as all these are one digit numbers, is 9. So while making the table for tally marks, we will make a table like this. Use pencil and scale dear students to make the table and make 3 columns. First column is for marks, second is for tally marks, and third is for number of students. So like these are the marks obtained by 40 students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the marks which are given in the table. Now let us see through the table that how many students out of 40 are there who obtained 1 mark. कितने ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिनका 1 mark आया? So let us count from the book. So let us see 1 student, then who is having 1 mark, 2, and see 1 is coming only for 2 times, right? Here 1 is there, here 1 means 2. 2 students obtained 1 mark. So in our column we will mark 2 tally marks, 1, 2, and we will write number of students 2 who obtained 1 mark. Similarly, let us see how many students are there who have obtained 2 marks. So in the first line here a 2 is there, in second line here a 2 is there, and in third line here a 2 is there. After that no other 2, means 1, 2, 3 students obtained 2 marks. So we will write 3 students obtained 2 marks and let us draw the tally marks for 3. 3 के लिए क्या आएगा? 3 standing lines, 1, 2, 3. Now let us check how many students obtained 3 marks. So let us see the first row, 3. सेकेंड रो अ 3, 2 हो गए हैं हमारे पास, अ 3, 3, एंड ओनली 3 times 1, 2, 3. 3 students obtained 3 marks. So we will write 3, number of students 3, जिनके 3 नंबर आए. So 3 students are there, we will write 3 standing lines for tally marks. Now let us check how many students are there who obtained 4 marks. So 4, 1, 2, second 4, third हो गया ये 4, then a 4 हो गए, then 5, then 6, 7, means 4 is appearing for 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 students are there who obtained 4 marks. 7 student, number of students 7. Now let us make 7 tally marks. So let us revise the rule. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, shut the door. Yesterday in the video I explained you 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, shut the door. Means जो 5th line होगी वो shut कर देगी door को close. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 tally marks for this. Now let us see how many students are there who obtained 5 marks. So 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 times 5, 6 times 5. So 6 times 5 means 6 students. So 6 students obtained 5 marks. So let us make tally marks for 6 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, shut the door. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. Now let us check for 6. So 6, 1, second 6, third 6, fourth 6, fifth 6, seventh and 8. 8 students. So 6 is appearing for 7 times. So we will write 7 students. So 7 students have obtained 6 marks. So let us make tally marks for this 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, shut the door. 6, 7. Now let us check how many students obtained 7 marks. So from the table you will observe that 5 students obtained 7 marks. 8 marks will be obtained by 4 students and 9 marks will be obtained by 3 students. From the table we will get these values. So let us make the tally marks for this. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, shut the door. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is the table for tally marks. Use pencil and scale to draw the table. Do not draw the table roughly. So this is the tally marks table, dear students. So 9 marks कितने बच्चों के आए? 3 from the detail. So 9 marks देख लेते हैं. 1 student, 2 student and 3 students. So in this way you can complete the table using tally marks. Now let us answer the questions asked in this question. In the first part they are asking find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. कितने ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिनके मार्क्स 7 या 7 से ज़्यादा हैं. Equal to 7 means 7 marks हो और more than 7. So equal to 7 means या तो 7 marks हो या more than 7 means 8 and 9. तो देख लेते हैं कितने ऐसे बच्चे हैं. 5 plus 4 plus 3. 7 marks वाले 5 student हैं और more than 7 वाले 4 और 3. So we'll get 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12. Means 12 students will score 7 or more than 7 marks. Similarly, let us check the B part. B part is how many students obtained marks below 4. कितने बच्चे हैं जिनके मार्क्स 4 से कम हैं. So below 4 means 3, 2, 1. जो 4 से कम मार्क्स, 4 से कम में 1 आ जाता है. 2 is less than 4, 3 is less than 4. So how many students? 2, 3, 3. So 2 plus 3 plus 3. So they are less than 4. So we'll get 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 students. 8 students have scored less than 4 marks. So dear students, I hope the question is clear to you. Do this in your notebook, making a table using pencil and scale, and try the question yourself first. Now let us do question number 2. Following is the choice of sweets of 30 students. 30 students से survey किया गया and we have collected this data. Which student like which sweet of class 6th? So first student said I like laddu the most. Second said I like barfi the most. Third said laddu. Fourth student said jalebi. And the last student, 30th student, said I like laddu. So in this way we collected the data from 30 students about their choice of sweets. Now first part is arrange the name of sweets in a table using tally marks, and B part which sweet is preferred by most of the students. So dear students, let us see commonly used sweets. One is laddu, barfi, laddu, jalebi, laddu, rasgulla, jalebi. Like this many names are there. So first of all write down the names of the sweet in the table, then we will make the tally marks. So as in the question you can see the commonly used sweets are laddu, barfi, jalebi, rasgulla. No other sweet is mentioned here, so we will write these 4 names in our table. So laddu, barfi, jalebi, rasgulla, the table will be sweets, tally marks and number of students, right? So let us calculate that how many out of 30 students, how many students like laddu. So 1 laddu, 2 laddu, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 students like laddu, so we will write 11. Similarly, 3 students like barfi, so we will write 3. 7 students like jalebi, we will write 7. 9 students like rasgulla, we will write 9 from the information from the data given in the question. So now let us make the tally marks for 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5 shuts the door. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will cut the line. Then 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. जो भी 5 के मल्टीपल्स होंगे like 5, 10, 15, 20, उनके लिए बेटा you have to make the slanting line. Okay. So now for 3, 1, 2, 3. For 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. 6, 7. For 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this is the table using tally marks. Now let us see the B part. Which sweet is preferred by most of the students? So from this table you can see which sweet is preferred by most of the students. सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे क्या पसंद कर रहे हैं? They are liking laddu. So we will write answer for B part as that laddu. Laddu because 11 students prefer eating laddu. Okay, so this is your answer. And one more thing I want to tell you, in the question we have given that total 30 students the survey was done, 30 students per survey. So when you add them, the total must be same as given in the question, like 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 7 27 plus 3 30. So total beta 30 आना चाहिए. In the first question the survey was done on 40 students, तो total क्या आना चाहिए? 40. So in this way you can check your question. So try the question number 3 yourself, that is your homework. Thank you. I hope the concept is clear to you. Complete 1, 2 and 3 questions in your notebook. Do third question yourself. Thank you.